Conquering time. Mastering the 12-hour and 24-hour clocks. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of time telling by focusing on how to convert between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. Whether you're checking the time on your phone, planning a meeting, or setting up a travel schedule, understanding these time formats can make your life much easier. Let's get started. To start off, we need to make sure we understand what 12-hour and 24-hour time formats are. The 12-hour format is likely what you're most familiar with, as it is widely used in daily life. This format divides the day into two periods: AM, ante-meridiem, the morning hours from midnight to just before noon, and PM, post-meridiem, the afternoon and evening hours from noon to just before midnight. On the other hand, the 24-hour format, often called military time in the US, counts the hours of the day sequentially from 00, midnight, to 23, the hour before midnight. This system is commonly used in the military, aviation, computing, navigation, and the sciences. Converting 12-hour time to 24-hour time is straightforward. If the time is in the AM, you don't need to make any changes to the hour, unless it's 12 AM, which is 00 in 24-hour format. If the time is in the PM, you simply add 12 to the hour, unless it's 12 PM, which stays the same. Here are a few examples. 8 AM becomes 8 o'clock. 12 AM becomes 0000. 1:30 PM becomes 13:30. 12 PM stays 12 o'clock. Now, let's flip it. Converting 24-hour time to 12-hour time is just as easy. If the hour is 00, that's 12 AM. If the hour is between 01 and 11, that stays the same and is in the AM. If the hour is 12, that's 12 PM. And if the hour is between 13 and 23, you subtract 12 from the hour to get the time in PM. Here are some examples. 8 o'clock becomes 8 AM. 0000 becomes 12 AM. 13:30 becomes 1:30 PM. 12 o'clock stays 12 PM. Here's a great way to cement your new skills: practice exercises. Let's convert the following times together. 4:45 PM in 24-hour format is 16:45. 15:30 in 12-hour format is 3:30 PM. 7 AM in 24-hour format is 7 o'clock. 0:15 in 12-hour format is 12:15 AM. Feel free to pause the video and try a few conversions on your own. And there we have it, folks. We've covered the basics of converting between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. This might seem tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, it will become second nature. Remember, mastery comes with practice, so don't hesitate.